This is the Intruder alarm assignment, where I've attempted extra credit for additional functions as well as the LED interval decreasing as the alarm goes on. As you can see, the alarm is not on when the photoresistor does not sense light. However, when I lift, the lights go on, the buzzer starts sounding, and the servo moves. If you look closely at the LEDs, the interval decreases over time to the point where they're blinking very quickly. Once they've reached that state, for example, they will just continue on like that. You can press the button to reset everything, and that delays for 5 seconds. And if it still senses light, then the alarm goes on again. However, if I press the button and I remove the source of light, the alarm does not go back on again until the photoresistor sees light.